Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn some more short Konkani phrases and sentences that will help you to learn Konkani. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and keep following. So let's begin with the video. I need an answer. मुझे जवाब चाहिए. माका जवाब दी. Jawab means answer. Let me do my work. मुझे मेरा काम करने दो. माका मुझे काम करू दी. काम means work. मुझे काम means my work. करू दी means let me do. You did very well. तुमने बहुत अच्छा किया. तुम्हें खूब बरे केले. बरे केले means did well. खूब बरे केले means did very well. तुम्हें means you. Listen carefully. ध्यान से सुनो. सारखे ऐक. ऐक means listen. Leave me. छोड़ो मुझे. In Konkani we say सोड माका. सोड माका. सोड means leave. Don't be shy. शर्माओ मत. लजना का. Don't speak ill about others. दूसरों की बुराई मत करो. दुसऱ्यांचे वाईट उलय नका. दुसऱ्यांचे वाईट उलय नका. White means ill or bad. उलय नका means don't speak. दुसऱ्यांचे means about others. Why should I listen to you? मैं तुम्हारी बात क्यों सुनूं? In Konkani we say हांव तुझे कित्याक ऐकू. हांव तुझे कित्याक ऐकू. ऐक means listen. Take a bite of this. इसका एक निवाला खा लो. हाचो एक घास खा. घास means bite. हाचो means of this. एक means one. I have been staying here for more than 5 years. मैं इधर 5 साल से रह रहा हूँ. In Konkani we say हांव 5 वर्सां जाली हांगा रावता. हांव 5 वर्सां जाली हांगा रावता. हांगा means here. रावता means staying. वर्सां means years. वरस means year. Who are you to tell me? तुम कौन होते हो मुझे बोलने वाले? इन कोंकणी we say तू कोण म्हाका सांगपाक. तू कोण म्हाका सांगपाक. तू कोण means who are you? No need to say anything. कुछ कहने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. कांयच म्हणपाची गरज ना. गरज ना means no need. I'm not used to it. मुझे इसकी आदत नहीं. म्हाका हाची सवय ना. सवय means habit. What brings you here? यहाँ किस काम से आए हो? हांगा कसल्या कामाक आयला? हांगा कसल्या कामाक आयला? I was bit busy. मैं काम में व्यस्त था. In Konkani we say हांव कामान व्यस्त आशिल्लो. While talking you can even use the word busy. हांव कामान busy आशिल्लो. But when you're writing officially you can't use the word busy. What are you looking at? तुम क्या देख रहे हो? तू कितें पळयता? तू कितें पळयता? पळयता means looking at. तू means you. किथे means what. I had a nightmare last night. मैंने कल रात बुरा सपना देखा. हांवें काल राती वायट सपन पळयलें. हांवें काल राती वायट सपन पळयलें. वायट means bad. सपन means dream. I believe in myself. मुझे खुद पर भरोसा है. म्हाका म्हजेर विश्वास आसा. म्हाका म्हजेर विश्वास आसा. Believe means विश्वास. My birthday also comes in December. मेरा जन्मदिन भी डिसेंबर में आता है. म्हजो वाडदीस भी डिसेंबरान येता. म्हजो वाडदीस भी डिसेंबरान येता. I'm not able to walk. I'm not able to walk. मुझे चलने नहीं आ रहा है. म्हाका चलपाक जायना. म्हाका चलपाक जायना. जायना means can't. चल means walk. चलप means walk. So this is all for today. Thank you guys.